might be wondering if I am real or am I an AI avatar? Well, of course I am an AI avatar. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create your very own AI avatar completely for free. Imagine your digital twin that can talk, move, and even walk around while speaking, just like me. Hi, I'm Jeannie. Nice to meet you.
AI avatars are sweeping the social media world right now. Creators are building full-scale brands using AI-generated look-alike avatars, and many are earning an income using them, all without having to step in front of the camera. Whether you are a content creator, small business owner, educator, student, or social media manager, you can definitely use this to your advantage.
Sounds amazing, right? Trust me, it's super easy. Stick with me until the end of this video and just follow along. I'm going to break it down into simple steps so you know how to create your own avatar, animate it, set up lip syncing, all the way into turning it into a nice, polished, and professional quality video you can use anywhere. Before we dive deep, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming AI training videos. Let's jump right in.
By the end of this video, you'll have your very own digital AI avatar, and I'll show you how to build it in 6 simple steps using 3 simple AI tools, all completely free. This avatar can talk, move, and even represent your brand online. Imagine all the endless possibilities you can achieve when you have a digital twin helping you create content, automate your business, and earn income while you focus on your next priorities. So stay till the end because the final result will absolutely blow your mind. I've created a complete documentation with all the prompts included. You can download it for free from the link in description down below. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate image description. Let's first head over to ChatGPT to create a prompt for image description. Type in a detailed prompt of how you want your avatar to look like. You can also provide your image for reference here, so ChatGPT will create a description to match the reference image and your prompt. Be very specific. Make it detailed, make it clear, and leave no room for guessing. The more details you provide, the more precise and accurate your prompt and image will turn out. Imagine you're creating your own digital twin. Add in all the features you love. This is your creative space, so play around with it and have fun. Once you are done feeding in the details in a prompt, ChatGPT will build a description you can use to generate as image in our next step. You can adjust the prompt and regenerate until you're satisfied with the description. Now, I like this version. Step 2, image generation. Now copy that prompt and head over to PicLumen AI tool. Follow the login process into your Google account, which only takes a few seconds. You are just a few steps away from earning you passive income while you work on your next big idea. Let's go to Create. In this tool, each image generation in this setting uses 1 credit. You can see I have already tried to generate a few images. Paste the description we got from ChatGPT here, and use these selections or as per your preference. This tool also provides option to use a reference image. Let's try to generate one without a reference image and hit Generate. Here as well, you can adjust description and regenerate image until you are satisfied with the image. Our first image is generated, but it does not look like me, so I'm going to regenerate by giving in a reference image. Check description and generate. The tool takes a few seconds, and it gave me a second image. I want my avatar to have a smile on her face, so let me update the description and regenerate. Like I mentioned earlier, the more accurate and detailed your prompt is, the better the outcome will be. Let the tool do its magic, which takes a few seconds. And yay, we got a nice avatar image which looks a lot like me. It also got the detailed of the ambience and avatar sitting in front of laptop. I'm satisfied with this outcome. Awesome! We now have a base image, which is going to be your digital AI avatar.
You can now download this image for our next step.
Step 3. Video generation. Let's come over to ChatGPT again to generate a prompt that can convert our image into a video, a prompt to make our avatar walk, talk, and move around the room. Just for this demo, I'll show you 2 different ways our image gets generated into a video. For the first one, let's try to make a talking video. So key in all the details and tell ChatGPT how you want the outcome to look like. ChatGPT will give you a nice prompt we will use in our next step. You are just a few steps away from creating your YouTube channel, online tutor, or digital influencer. Now that we have our prompt and image, let's head over to our third AI tool, which is Kling AI. Log in with your Google account. We will be using this tool to convert our image into a video. And yes, it's totally free. I'll leave all the links in the description below. This is what the dashboard will look like. When you log in for the first time, you will see some free credits you can use. If you run out, you can either upgrade your plan to a subscription or simply sign in with another Google account. Go to Video icon, upload the image we generated, and place the prompt ChatGPT created for us. And we can also provide negative prompt, like no blurring and no hand distortion. Video duration options are 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Here are some of the videos I generated prior using Kling AI. Let's allow the tool to work its magic. And there you go. You now have an avatar video that talks. Now let's upgrade our avatar into an avatar that gets up and walks while talking. Update details using ChatGPT, and now use that prompt to create a walking and talking avatar.
I'm asking ChatGPT to update my prompt to make my avatar get up and walk around the room while talking. Now that ChatGPT gave me an updated prompt, I'm going to copy that prompt, paste it here in prompt section. Always check for any changes or corrections needed, and click Generate. The tool will take some time to work on its magic.
Isn't that cool? You just created an avatar that can walk and talk, representing a digital version of yourself. Now, in the free version, the tool will create videos with watermarks. There are ways to remove these watermarks using any free video editor or another AI tool. We are not done yet.
Step 4. Voice integration. There are plenty of voice generation AI tools out there. In today's video, let's head over to Google AI Studio. Click on Native Speech, and it should bring you to this page. Make sure it's toggled to Gemini 2.5 Pro. Select Single Speaker, type in or paste your speech script here.
Within seconds, you'll get a natural, professional-sounding voice file you can overlay onto your avatar. This same technique is used by creators making $500 to $2,000 per month automating faceless YouTube channels, and now you can do it too. Think about it. This could be the face of your next YouTube channel, online tutor, or digital influencer, earning you passive income while you work on your next big idea.
Step 5. Lip syncing. Now, before we lip sync, since we created 2 5-second videos, I'm going to combine and stitch everything up together using a video editor. You can use any free editing tool to do this. We are not doing anything fancy, just combining all videos together. I'm using CapCut to just combine the 2 videos we just created. Let's head over again to Kling AI and feed this video. Select the lip sync option available on the left panel. Let's add in the video and script we want our avatar to talk. explore the voice options available and select one that suits your personality. We have two options here. One is to add in speech you would like your avatar to talk and select any preset voices, or two, add in your own voice using Upload Local Dubbing and hit Generate. The tool will use some credit.
And that's it! Your own digital AI avatar that can walk, talk, and represent you online. This is the future of digital identity, and it's already helping creators earn money through branding, digital marketing, and social media growth. So what's stopping you? Try this today. Let me know in the comments if this was useful for you and if there are any other tools you would like to learn. There are many other AI tools out there. Let's explore them all. Hit the like button and share this with your friend who would like to create their own digital AI avatar.
Let's see how the outcome looks like.
I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next one!